Class 9 CBSE Chapter Lines and Angle Exercise 6.3 of question number 2. According to this question, the diagram is given and it is given that YXZ, that is 62 degree, XYZ, that is 54 degree, and YO and ZO are bisector of this angle XYZ and XZY respectively. Means this YO and ZO are the bisector of these two angles. Okay, and we have to find out OZY, this angle, and YOZ, these two angles we have to find out. Suppose this is X and this is, suppose A and this is B. So these two angles we have to find out. Okay, so first from angle sum property in triangle XYZ, first we will find out XZY. So angle XZY equals to 180 degree minus angle YXZ plus angle XYZ from angle sum property. Okay, so XZY equals to 180 degree minus these two angles, so that is 62 plus 54. So that can be written as 180 degree minus, if we add them we will get 116. So if you subtract them, then you will get 64 degree. So angle XZY is 64 degree and angle YOZ. So for YOZ, this angle, and for OZY. So first we will find out OZY. So OZY you can see the diagram. OZY, that is half of this XZY. So XZY by 2, and that is 64 degree by 2, that is 32 degree. Okay, and angle OYZ, that will be angle XYZ upon 2, that is 54 upon 2, that is 27 degree. Now YOZ, that can be written as 180 degree minus OYZ plus angle OZY from angle sum property. Okay, sum property, we can write that. Okay, so we know the values, that is OYZ is 27 degree plus 32 degree. These two we will put and we will get 180 degree minus this is 59. So if you subtract, you will get 121 degree. That is angle YOZ. So these two are, so we have to find out their YOZ and OZY. So OZY, that is 32, angle OZY is 32. Already we have this calculated. So these two are the answer.